Ever faced that frustrating moment when an important PDF document is locked behind a password you can't remember? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to bypass those restrictions and regain access to your files. Many straightforward methods involve specialized software designed for this purpose. The first step is to find a reputable PDF password recovery tool. You can search online for options like PDF Password Remover or PDF Unlocker. Be sure to choose a well-reviewed and trusted application to ensure the safety of your data. Once you've downloaded and installed your chosen software, open it up. The interface is usually very user-friendly. Look for an option to add or open your password-protected PDF file. Click on this and navigate to where you've saved the file on your computer. Select your locked PDF, and the software will likely prompt you to start the recovery process. Most tools will then begin scanning the PDF to attempt password recovery. This process can take a few moments, depending on the strength of the password and the software's algorithm. If the software successfully finds the password, it will typically display it for you. You can then usually copy the password. With the password in hand, you can now open your PDF file. Simply enter the recovered password when prompted. And there you have it, circumflex euros. Your password-protected PDF is now unlocked and accessible. Remember to store your passwords securely in the future to avoid this situation.